Annyeong! It's me again, Sheila Kim, for another food vlog with my friend Weng. And this time, we will try Chinese food in Korean style cooking here at Old Dragon Restaurant in Asiana Tree Building, Parañaque City. And excited na nga ako guys to try these authentic Chinese foods, but curious ako sa Korean style of cooking. And ito na nga guys, sa dami nalula ako. They have mala tofu, braised pig's feet with cold vegetables, black bean sauce noodles with seafood, sweet and spicy chicken, assorted seafood and vegetable with mustard sauce, cream sauce shrimp, and Sichuan fried noodles. And alam ko tong noodles na to, they call this jjajangmyeon, is noodles in black bean sauce, and laging kapartner niyan guys is tangsuyuk or sweet and sour pork. They have also this Chinese style bowl of rice, and if you want spicy noodles naman, they have also jampong or spicy seafood noodles. And dito talaga ako na-excite guys sa kanilang beef small intestine hot pot, and syempre ang kanilang barbecue set na may kasama pang tteokbokki or stir-fried rice cake and soybean paste too with seafood. O diba dito pa lang super mukbang na guys? And dahil dun nga ako na-excite, inuna ko talaga siya kainin, and yes, it's really spicy, but yung lasa heaven, as in. Better to eat this with rice guys para di masyadong maramdaman ng anghang. And the hot pot is full of beef intestine together with mushrooms and other veggies, meaning napaka-healthy niya pa rin. And syempre, hindi pwedeng palagpasin, i-try natin tong jjajangmyeon or noodles in black bean sauce for you na di masyadong fan ng maanghang. And of course, laging kapartner niyan is sweet and sour pork. But if you want spicy, you must try this jampong or seafood noodles together with Chinese style bowl of rice. Sulit na sulit, di ba? Ayan, syempre, so bilang mahilig tayo din sa mga noodles, ganito lang ang paghahalo ng jjajangmyeon guys. Expert ako dyan. Ayan, para even. And malasahan natin ng mabuti yung black bean sauce. And I'm so excited na nga na i-try itong jjajangmyeon. And yung tamis niya guys is sakto lang. Noodles is just right, hindi matigas and dry. And we'll definitely recommend this sa mga di mahilig na manghang na food. And for kids as well, sakto lang ang tamis. And promise, isa talaga to sa mga favorite kong noodles na Korean style ang pagkakaluto. Pero this is really a Chinese food. And i-try naman natin tong sweet, sour, and spicy chicken. And if you are fanatic of Korean braised chicken, sakto ito sa inyo guys, is boneless. And yung pagka-sweet and spicy niya is sakto lang. Really a Korean style of cooking ng chicken na alam nyo naman, patok sa panlasa nating mga Pinoy. And ito na nga, itatry na natin itong bestseller nila. Ang one of their signature dish din, ang Chinese style braised pig's feet with cold vegetables. And alam nyo ba, literal na tumaas talagang balahibo ko sa sobrang sarap. And in fairness, malambot ang meat. And mas masarap siyang samahan ng kimchi. And nagulat talaga ako kasi nasa resto din pala ang aking famous TikTok friend na si Jinky. And syempre, nakimukbang na nga tayo with her kasi mas masarap naman talaga makmukbang na may kasama. And the chef itself prepared a feast for us. And we are excited na nga to eat all of this. Sanggip style na samahan ng hot pot and with a friend, it's so perfect. And di naman halata guys, 'di ba? Na we both love Chinese Korean foods. Di lang pala dancing kami nagkakapareho ng hilig, pati din pala sa foods. So di na nga namin matiis magmukbang agad-agad. And I'm so happy to see her trying to eat spicy foods, and we both enjoyed it. And dahil nabusog kami and madaming nakain, we need na mag-dance para magutom kami ulit. This is also our first time na mag-dance collab. We really had a full stomach here at Old Dragon Restaurant. Sobrang sulit and the quality and quantity of foods here is so perfect. Super sarap and all the staff and the chef itself are so kind and accommodating. We'll definitely recommend this to all of you guys. They are located guys at East Tower ASEAN Building, Parañaque City. Check their FB page guys, Old Dragon for more info.